If I actually go here, I could actually dry a whole entire car with nothing but water. Today, I'm here to show you how easily it is to ceramic coat your car using our HydroCharge Plus. One product does it all. Let's get right into it. First things first, what you want to do is wash the car. Make sure you remove all the filth, grime, and debris. Clay the surface if you need to, polish it. But after that, you're ready to go with our ceramic coating HydroCharge Plus. Now, HydroCharge Plus is actually one of our fan favorites. You guys have been asking for it, so we're bringing it back. All you need to do is get your HydroCharge Plus, a microfiber applicator, a couple towels to wipe it off, and then you begin applying. Grab your bottle, shake it up, and then you'll spray it directly onto your applicator. You always want to apply it on using a microfiber applicator. Now this microfiber applicator is going to allow me to get an even coverage around the whole entire paint. Now by me using the microfiber applicator, it's also going to allow me to get a cross hatch pattern. So like this, I never miss a spot and I never have a high spot. Now a lot of people always ask, is ceramic coating your car super difficult? And I'm here to tell you no. We simplified it super easy to the point where anybody could apply it. But all you want to do is just take it a section at a time. So I went ahead and did this panel right here. After 30 seconds to a minute, what I would do, move my bottle off to the side, get a clean, soft microfiber towel. Now on this occasion, I am using new towels. I always recommend using new towels whenever it comes to applying a ceramic coating to your car, just so you could be sure you don't have any cross-contamination whatsoever. Now there is mistakes that happen in the detail shop or even in your house. Someone might use your interior towel for your exterior towel if you're having multiple people touch towels. So that's why I always recommend getting clean microfiber towel, just so you can ensure you're using the right appropriate towel and you prevent from any cross-contamination on the surface of the paint. Now, HydroCharge Plus is going to be acting as a sacrificial layer, which means it's going to be sitting on top of your clear coat. It's going to harden, so anytime tree sap, bird droppings, fallout, bird debris, sprinklers land on the surface of the car like liquid or anything, it's going to glide right off. It's not going to stick on it or penetrate the clear coat. So I already applied it all on there. All I'm gonna do is grab my microfiber applicator once again. Now, one thing I do want to keep in mind is I still have suspended product on my applicator. So instead of me applying 4 sprays, I'm only gonna do 2 sprays onto my microfiber applicator, and then I will be applying it to the next panel. I always recommend applying it to the next panel at a section at a time, because the last thing you want is HydroCharge Plus to actually harden on you, and then you're gonna have to come back and polish it off. So just be sure to take it a section at a time. It's super easy to use, and we simplified it super easy to the point where it has an amazing scent. Simply spray it directly onto an applicator, rub it on, let it sit for 30 seconds to a minute, and then you just wipe it right off. So like this, your car is protected. And I always recommend this for anybody that is daily driving a car, especially if you park your car outside. If you think about it right now, your car is probably outside. You go to the grocery store, your car is outside. You go to the big box store, your car is outside. So your car over time takes wear and tear, and then if you want to prevent that clear coat failing or clear coat flaking all over the place, or those white spots on your car, I always recommend staying protected. And now the cool thing about HydroCharge Plus, it does it all. Makes ceramic coating super easy to the point with one product is going to allow you to ceramic coat your glass, your headlights, your wheels, and so much more. Following this process is super easy to use. And one thing I did forget to tell you guys, after you finish applying it to your car, let it sit inside or away from any liquids, whether it's inside or outside, for about 1 to 3 hours. And then after that, liquids could get on top of it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna coat this whole entire hood, coat the whole entire paint, and then after that, we're gonna be touching up the glass, the mirrors, the wheels, and the headlights. And then we're gonna wait a couple hours to pass, and I'm gonna wet the car so you guys can see the amazing protection HydroCharge provides. So come on, follow me. Okay, so we just finished ceramic coating the whole entire paint, the hood, the fenders, and I'm letting that cure. But the one thing I do want to talk about is how to apply it directly on the glass. Now, a lot of people might misunderstand that. Can I spray directly onto the glass? The answer is yes. But for me, for you, a pro tip, I always recommend using a microfiber applicator because whenever you spray directly onto the surface, you are going to be having overspray. Now, we don't recommend getting it like on trim pieces that are raw or rubber seals. So that's why we always recommend using a microfiber applicator to just prevent that. So I still have my microfiber applicator. If you do let it sit out and it hardens on you, you also have a secondary side that you could also be using. But in this occasion, I just finished using it around the whole entire car. So I'm gonna continue with it. Remember, less is more after you apply it onto the surface. So instead of doing 4 sprays to 2 sprays, all I'm gonna do now is 1 spray onto my microfiber applicator. So I'll go to the surface and look, you could see it being applied to the surface. Now, a lot of people always tell us in the comment section, you forget under the wiper blades, and the answer is yes. Now, if you're that person that has a car and their wiper blades goes like, they're gonna clip me so bad. Anyways, if it goes like that, and it's skipping over your glass, that just means your glass has contamination, and it also has a form of stickiness residue left behind. It always happens whenever you use windshield wiper fluid on it. It tends to happen, but by you clay barring the surface and applying some HydroCharge, plus whenever rain happens or liquid lands on it, it's just going to be beading off. So it's super easy. And look how easily it wipes right off. There's no residue left behind. There's no streak. There's no fuzz. And I am ensuring I am staying protected. Now you guys might be asking, Henry, there's a little bit of things inside. That's actually because the owner of this car smokes inside, so there's a little haze to it. I will be touching it up, but for right now, all I want to do is just touch up the outside. Do not use this product on the interior. So look, I'm just wiping it right off. The glass is clear. It's smooth as glass as it's supposed to. And do not forget, I'm also going to be showing you guys beading properties on this glass. So just wipe it right off, and look at that. Let me just touch up that side, the rest of the windows, and our next stop is going to be the wheels. All right, before I apply ceramic coating to this wheel, I just want to address the elephant in the room. The barrel of this wheel is completely gone. The curb rash is not gonna get fixed with this product. So this product is just going to allow you to reduce brake dust from sticking onto the surface of the wheel and preventing this permanent damage that already has in the barrel. Now, what a lot of people do not understand, brake pads, they release metal particles, like sheeting stuff, because that's what brake pads are made out of, especially ceramic brake pads or any type of brake pads. Take a shot every time I said brake pad. So anyways, brake pads are made of like little minor metal pieces. Over time it sits, the wheel gets hot, penetrates the clear coat, and it damages it. So by using HydroCharge Plus, we're going to be preventing all that. Instead of me using whatever I was using on here, I'm going to flip over to the clean side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and apply it like this. Now, HydroCharge Plus is super easy to apply, like I've always mentioned. Just rub it on side to side, and you actually want to work it in. You want to massage the product directly onto the surface you're applying to. So like this, you always ensure you get an even coverage. How I like to explain to anybody that has ever encountered me and said, how do I use this product? I would recommend using it how you would treat lotion. Work it directly into the pores of the wheel or the paint. So like this, you ensure you're actually working it in and it's not going to fail over time. Now, HydroCharge Plus can be applied to all types of wheels that are glossy. If you do have matte wheels, we do have a meticulous matte spray. But if you do have glossy wheels, go with HydroCharge Plus. After 30 seconds to a minute, go ahead and wipe it right off. And the thing I love about this product is, look, it's like smooth as glass. Like there's no film, there's no debris. It's just protected. And after 3 to 4 hours, the beading effect is gonna pop out. So like this, whenever you're driving down the highway, if you're that person that unfortunately does run over like some spray paint, I know we get a lot of DMs on that. This will prevent all that messes. And a lot of people misunderstand that cleaning your wheels is actually one of the most important parts of your car, because without nice wheels, without wheels being maintained, nowadays OEM wheels are getting super expensive to a point where you need to maintain them, because then it deteriorates the look of your car, throws the whole entire look of your car. And after that, if you do have like a curb rash here, if you do go resell your car, the next owner is going to pay attention to all this. So That's how you apply ceramic coating to your wheel. We have one final stop, which is going to be the most important stop whenever you're driving your car, is protecting those headlights to prevent any yellowness happening to them. Let's go. And finally, for the last place you could apply ceramic coating to is going to be to these bad boys, these headlights. Now what ends up happening is over time, especially here in sunny California, there's certain cars that have headlights exposed, like GMCs, like Chevy trucks. I'm looking back out there, Ford Transit. If your car does not have this ledge over it, the sun beads on it, and over time, you guys get yellow headlights. If you have yellow headlights or you've seen someone with yellow headlights, I want you guys to comment down below their name so we could expose them. But to prevent yellowness from happening is we recommend using our HydroCharge Plus. Now you're familiar with our headlight restorer kit, that's why we included this product in it, because it's going to prevent any yellowness from happening. So all you want to do is get your bottle, spray it onto your applicator, go to the surface of your headlight and rub it on. Now just by rubbing it on, it's going to provide 12 months of protection, same exact thing as the paint and the wheels. But look, you just apply it on, rub it on side to side, and after this, your headlights are going to be protected. Now, a lot of people nowadays do have HIDs, LEDs on their car, and those bulbs get super, super hot instead of the OEM ones. Now, there are car manufacturers that do have OEM LED ones, but any aftermarkets, they do tend to get really, really hot. So that's why your plastic on your headlights tend to go right away. But look at this, smooth, protected, and not neglected. Look at this. The paint's protected, the headlight's protected, the wheels are protected. So now all we're gonna do is let the car sit here for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, I'm gonna tune back in with you guys and I'm gonna show you guys the amazing beading effects that HydroCharge provides. So stick around, it's gonna be in a blink and eye for you. Ready, set, go. All right guys, so it's been 3 hours. As you guys can see, my face, my beard, my haircut, everything got done in between this car cured inside the garage. I kept that out of the liquids, but I promised you I was gonna bring out water so I could show you guys the amazing beading effect HydroCharge Plus provides. So we're gonna start out by spraying the hood and the glass. Here we go. Look at that water bead on the glass. The water is sheeting. Now, another thing I am gonna make my way down is going to be on the hood of this car. Look at that. The water is beading off, it's not sticking. Now, whenever you do apply a wax, it tends to sheet. Whenever it's a ceramic, it beads. So the water droplets are very, very tight. Now look, nothing sticks on it. It's just coming right off. Now, whenever your car is also protected, it's also super easy to dry a car. A lot of people might misunderstand saying my towel is dragging. It's not that it's dragging, your car's not protected, and it also has contamination. But I'm gonna keep wetting the parts that I went ahead and coated, like the headlights as well. Look, nothing sticks. And of course, we can't forget the wheel. Okay, so I just finished showing you the beading effect. Now I do want to show you guys a different method. What happens when liquids land on a car at a certain angle. So look at the tight water beads. I do have my running water here. If I actually go here, I could actually dry a whole entire car with nothing but water. And at that point, look, water is just accelerating off. It's not sticking on there. It's, look at this, drying a whole entire car with water. Look at that, look how cool that is. The car is dry. All right, so let me show you how simple it is to dry a car after your car is ceramic coated. The Megalon drying towel, throw it on here, we'll pull it, and it dries the car super, super easy. Look at that, super, super easy to dry. Whether you have a big car, a small car, an SUV, whenever your car is protected, the water doesn't adhere to the surface, which means it's accelerating off. The drying towels are just a plus to have, but look, it just dries the surface super, super easy. So, guys, if you guys want your car protected, super, super easy, tap the link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time here at Chemical Guys.